Can't believe your dad made us go fishing.
In the middle of winter, I know!
I know, it's so cold.
But I love fishing. It's so fun.
I don't like it, especially when it's cold. I have a frostbite by cuspid. What?
I don't know what that is.
Jane, it's teeth.
How am I supposed to know? Do I look like a dentist?
No, I'm not a dentist either, but I know what a bicuspid is.
Oh, we're here.
Well, fine, I'll wait.
I'll start to fish.
Me too.
Hey, I think I caught something.
Already?
Yeah, Bill, there's a whopper. Lucy, you gotta help me here.
I have my own fishing rod to attend.
Whoa!
Jane? What happened to Jane? Oh well, looks like I'm the new only star of E-Tweens. Woohoo! Oh, you're back.
Yeah.
Where's your fish?
Right over here. Come on. Come on. I got it. Woohoo! Oh my God. That's it.
I bet Scully put a curse on this.
I think this is going to be Scully's dinner tonight.
Scully.
What do you have against him?
He is evil.
No, he isn't. He's cute.
He's cute until his fangs come out.
Fangs?
Yeah.
No, that doesn't happen. Hey, I think you caught something.
Oh.
Pull! Mr. Scully! Hey! How dare you drown my pet?
He scared me, Jane.
That's it. Mama's coming! Woo!
Jane, the boat, it's moving so fast and I don't know why.
What do you mean? You're the one who's driving it!
No, I'm not. Scully put a curse on me and he's making me do this.
Wanna bet?
I almost fell overboard.
I'm back.
Oh, great.
And it runs Scully.
Either I go or he does. Your pick. Either I go or he does. You either need a new pet or a new co-host.
Aww.
You pick.
I wish I had your little sailor hat. You wanna
Just pick, fool.
I don't know.
Wrong answer.
Hey!
He's gone now.
Good thing they don't. Good thing they don't.